Hi, I'm Darshit Shah and I'm the co-founder of Sitjo. In brief, Sitjo is India's first easy-to-use hyperlocal news video sharing platform, and it aims to empower digital as well as citizen journalism in India. Our main goal is to deliver local news updates to all our users in real time. So there are three main reasons why we are doing this right now. The first reason is that we are creating a community of local journalists and giving them a platform to share their news content directly with their target audience and get coverage through them. The second reason is that, as you may know, that there are more than 1,18,000 publications in India, and there is still a dearth of content, regional content available online. So the users are not getting the news that they want to consume. The third reason is that even despite being so many news channels, people are not getting local time news updates through them. So that is where we come in. So the reason why we are doing this right now is that, as you may know, that there is a rapid penetration of internet in rural India, and people are becoming more and more aware about their local happenings. So we believe that this is a perfect opportunity for us to enter this segment. And as you may also know that the more and more people are shifting from the written content to the video format, and we are the perfect choice for them right now. My name is Darshit Shah and my co-founder's name is Shubham Chaube. We have been friends from the last 5 years, and I think it is a very crucial point while starting a startup. So we met through our common interest in journalism, and we were working in Somaya Voices, which is a campus newspaper for Somaya University. And while working there, we learned many things about journalism from Babita Krishnan, our editor-in-chief. After working there for 2 years, we went out on our separate ways, and we worked in many different places, in many different media houses to be exact. And after working there, we realized that what we were taught in journalism is not what we were made to do. So after a while, we met and we thought that we should start something that will give authentic news to people. So this is how we came up with our first venture, which is the Kalki Media, which was a web portal and it consisted of news articles. So while working in the Kalki Media, we were at a crucial junction when we were covering Bihar floods, COVID, as well as the Bihar elections on ground in Bihar. And this is when we realized that the local people were not getting local news updates in real time, and their needs had been shifted from the written content to video format. So this is how we came up with the idea of Sitjo, and we started brainstorming about how we can make this happen. So yeah. We believe that Sitjo will go on to become a default app in the mobile phones of every person living in the regional areas of our country. And we also strongly believe that Sitjo will not only remain a news video sharing platform, but it will go on to become an application which will serve all the basic local needs of the people related to information gathering. We are going to earn our revenue through in-app advertisements, which is B2B, and initially we are targeting FMCG brands because we feel that we and FMCG brands share the same target audience, which is the rural India. So as you may know that FMCG brands mostly target via traditional ways, that is through newspapers, hoardings, wall paintings and television. So we think that we can be a platform through which they could advertise their products online. So we are also targeting the local grocery delivery platforms, as they are also active in the rural areas of our country, and we are also planning to collaborate with the government so that we can make videos and share their latest schemes and updates and deliver them to the local people. Any big player can come and replicate our application, because they already have a huge chunk of capital in their pockets. But we believe that there are a few reasons why we have an edge over them. So first reason is that this requires a lot of operational and executional efforts, and we have these skills because we already have worked on ground. The second reason is that my friend and co-founder Shubham Chaube has been brought up in this rural area, and he already knows the demands and needs of these people. And because of our experience in the field of journalism, we can also understand the needs and demands of the journalists over there. So yes, any big player can come and replicate this app, but we will always be one step ahead of them. Thank you.